We're here at Melbourne Central today to bring you some of the hottest trends for the spring-summer season. And our first trend is the midi skirt. Now, a midi skirt falls to the calf. It's a fun, feminine style, and we've got two of the season's hottest looks to show you today. Our first look today is the full high-waisted midi skirt, and we've got this wonderful piece from Veronica Main. The key with the midi skirt is to balance out the width of the lower body with something a little bit more form-fitting on the top. So I've teamed this with a gorgeous crop top from Q. Also important for the midi skirt is to always team it with the heel because it can be a tricky style for petites. Our second look is a gorgeous pencil skirt by Q. Again, hitting at the calf muscle. I've teamed this skirt with an oversized jumper just to help balance out the look. Don't forget though, a midi skirt, regardless of the shape, is always going to look better with a small heel. Our second look is colour, and today we're going to look at two of the biggest trends, pastels and florals. The reason I've styled this look head to toe in the one colour is to help draw the eye up and down, which will make you look taller and leaner. I've also added the denim jacket just to create a little bit of texture. And a final tip for pastels, they can wash you out, so my tip is to make sure that you have a little bit of tan, even if it's out of a bottle. And next we have one of the biggest trends for the season, florals. I've got Julia in a gorgeous pencil skirt and a matching crop top from Q. Now you don't have to match your florals head to toe, but it's important to choose a colour from the floral to match with a block colour. If your legs are your best asset, go for a floral pant. If you like your upper body, choose a nice floral top to draw the eye upwards. And our final look is the wide leg pant. They are huge this season, and we've got Julia in these gorgeous wide leg pants from Q. Now the important thing with wide leg pants is to balance. So we want them sitting nice and high up on the waist. Always wear a heel and have the trousers falling all the way to the floor. And if a wide leg is not quite your thing, then the skinny or the tapered leg is still very much on trend this season. My tip for a skinny leg is that you can wear something a little bit more looser, a little bit more flowy on the upper body. And you see here we've got these gorgeous tapered trousers from Trenery mixed in with a draped jacket from Country Road.
What an incredible range, Sally, and it's all available here from Melbourne Central.
Absolutely. All the pieces I've shown you today are from Melbourne Central retailers. And if you'd like to get in touch for your own personal shopping trip, you can head to our website at Style by Sally.